felt like you're just drowning in research theory? Struggling to get from that great idea you had to an actual finished, published paper? Well, today, we're deconstructing a source that claims it has the answer. It's a streamlined model for learning research that promises to cut right through all that noise. So let's break it down.
Right off the bat, the source we're looking at today kicks things off with this question. It's pretty bold, right? It's designed to make you stop and think about your own process. I mean, are all those long hours you're putting in staring at data sets actually paying off? Or just maybe, is there a better, more efficient way to get to that finish line?
And yeah, according to the source we're analyzing, the answer to that question is a big yes. It basically argues that if you're struggling with research, the problem isn't you. It's not your intelligence or your work ethic. No, it's your method.
So what exactly is this wrong approach that's supposedly holding so many of us back? Let's dive into the first section here and really explore the common struggle that it points to for students, academics, and, well, professionals alike.
You see, the source defines the problem as just profound inefficiency. I mean, think about it. How many hours are spent learning these really complex academic theories that, let's be honest, you rarely, if ever, actually apply? The source argues this is just a huge misapplication of time and energy, focusing on methods that are maybe too complicated or just plain outdated.
Okay, so if the traditional approach is the problem, then what's the solution? Well, the source we're digging into today puts forward a new method it calls Lightway, and it's promising to be a real game changer. The Lightway Research and Technology Center basically flips the traditional model on its head. So instead of starting with all this dense, abstract theory, it focuses on building simple, usable systems. The big takeaway here is the shift in priority. It's all about practicality over complexity. And this slide, this just lays it all out, doesn't it? On one side, you've got the old way, what they see as a tangled mess of complex theories that just moves at a snail's pace. And on the other, you've got the Lightway method, which they present as this sleek, streamlined rocket ship built for speed and getting things done. No fluff, just execution. Honestly, this quote is really the heart and soul of the whole Lightway philosophy. It's a promise, right? A promise to cut through all the academic jargon and just deliver what you actually need to get the job done. Okay, so the philosophy is all about execution. Sounds great. But what does that really look like in practice? Let's take a look at the specific skills the Lightway curriculum says it's going to teach. So, the curriculum is designed to take you on the entire journey, from that first spark of an idea all the way to a published paper. You'd supposedly master everything from research design and data analysis to writing and publishing. The idea is to make sure you have all the skills you need to see your projects all the way through. And when they talk about data analysis, they're not talking about abstract theories. The Lightway method is all about hands-on training with the actual industry-standard software that professionals and academics are using every single day. These are the kinds of practical skills that make you valuable in any research-focused field. All right, so at this point you might be wondering, okay, but is this for me? Well, let's take a look at exactly who the Lightway method is designed to help. It looks like whether you're a student just starting out, a seasoned academic trying to get published, or maybe a professional who just needs to make sense of data for your job, the Lightway method claims it has something for you. It's really designed for a wide range of learners, all united by that same goal, to get really good at research. So what's the common thread here? What connects a grad student to, say, a corporate data analyst? It's that their work really depends on getting the research part right. Their success, whether that's a good grade, a published paper, or a big promotion, it all hinges on being able to conduct and present research clearly and accurately. All right, now we're getting to the heart of it. What is the ultimate promise of this Lightway method? What's the one thing that supposedly sets it apart from all the other research courses and guides out there? See, this isn't about just learning for the sake of learning. It's all about achieving your goals. It's about building the skills you need to produce real, tangible results, whether that's a groundbreaking publication, a brilliant dissertation, or a project at work that just knocks it out of the park. Fast, practical, and publishable. These are kind of the three pillars of the Lightway model. It's a results-focused framework that's really designed to help you get from your idea to actual impact as quickly and effectively as you can. So, as we've seen, this Lightway model points to a pretty big shift towards practical, execution-focused learning. And that kind of leaves us with a big question to chew on. As this kind of hands-on expertise becomes easier to get, what does that do to the value of a traditional theory-heavy degree? It's a huge question, one that's going to shape the future of education, and definitely something to think about.